Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to do a little demonstration video. What I want to do today is show you how to overlay an SD card video over a screen recording video. Now, for the people in my circle, you know, Marcus, Ron, all these people, you know, Al, all these YouTubers that make these videos, this is just, we don't even think about this stuff. Okay, we all know how to do all this stuff. But what we don't realize is there's just tons of people out there that don't know how to do this stuff. So when I made that video the other day, the Mini, I think I flew the Mini 2 with the snow by the factory. I think it was the last video I posted, or one of the last few videos I posted. Some guy left a comment about, well, the video, it didn't show the, you know, the footage and all that stuff on there. And I said, well, that's because I overlaid the SD card video in the little box where the screen recording was. Even though it still left the little dot on the side that showed you, you know, what you would press to start the video and all that. He just didn't understand that. So I'm just gonna shoot this video. This is real simple stuff, okay? This is not complicated stuff, but for the people that do this all the time, this is just second nature stuff for us. You know, we don't even think about the people out there that don't know how to do this stuff. So what I did was I made the screen recording, and my phone, for some reason, this iPhone 11 Pro, it does not do very good screen recordings. The iPhone 8, the screen recordings look a lot better. The iPhone 11 Pro, they don't look that good. So what I've been doing in the last few videos, I've been superimposing the SD card video in the little box where the screen recording was to kind of make it look a little bit better, okay? So that's what I did. But when I did that, you could still see the flash button on the side. And then what you can do is when you want to get to a point where you want the people to see your distance and all that, you can just cut out a little section of that so they can see the telemetry and all that stuff, you know. So I'm gonna put this in here. It's gonna be a real short video how to do it. All you got to do is put the screen recording and then take the SD card video and overlay it into the little box. It's real simple stuff. So get a load of that, and then you'll know how to do it. It's real easy. All right, first thing you want to do is hit iMovie. Go over here to Projects, go to New Project, hit Movie, go to Media, Video, and you can put, you know, recently added, it would be fine. So I want to go down here and find the video for, I want to put the screen recording for the Mini. What was it? That one there would be this one. Right there. Okay, so there it is. There was the screen recording I did the other day with the Mini. Right there. So I'm going to scroll this back right to here, whatever, calibrate compass. I did all that mumbo jumbo. So let's take off. Let me go back a little bit from there to where I start the video recording and watch the little button on the right. Okay, so right about there, I'll split it. So we'll get rid of that part there, and we'll delete that. Yes, indeedy. Okay, let me turn this volume up so I can hear what the hell's going on. Okay, so where I hit that button, hear that little dink right there? That is where I started the video. So now I want to overlay the SD card video into that block right there. So I would just hit the plus button right there, go to video, recently added. Then I got to scroll down here and find that video. let's see here. I think it was this one here, the 718. So I'll do that, hit that, and go picture in picture. So that'll drop that right in there. Now all I have to do is line them up, because when you hit the record button on the Mini, when it does that makes that little noise, it's already been recording for a second. So you have to go back there and straighten that out, line that back up. Okay. So we're going to go back here to the beginning, and then what I would do was just sit here and play them together and watch them take off together. Let's take off. Okay. So here it's going to take off.
Take off. The home.
Well, that was pretty close right off the bat where I dropped that in there. That was real close.
Take off. The home.
Let me see one more time. Slow it down here with my finger. Wow, that's like really, really synced tight. That's really close. Okay, so what I would do is just take this clip here, the SD card video clip, and hit the little cross right here. And then I'm going to drag it over top of the screen recording. Right like that. Maybe a little hair bigger. Nope, a little hair smaller. Right there. Right there is good. Okay, cancel that. Okay. So there it is, right there. So you still see the record thing and all that stuff on the side, but the video is not going to be the grainy screen recording video. It's going to be the good video. Okay, now say I wanted to go up here. I'll go up here a little bit, just like I did in that video. What I did was I let some of the telemetry come through, which is when I got here right before the turn. Okay, so right about here. Now I want to cut out a little section of that so you can see the telemetry. So I just hit that, hit split right there, go over here, hit split again. Then that little part I split, I just delete that little section there. So right there is the regular SD card video on the overlay, and then once it got to there, it went to this back to the screen recording. You see that? So then you can see the telemetry and what mode I'm in, the battery indicator, and all that stuff right there. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do, and then you can do that in little different sections of the video. You don't only have to do that once. You can do it, over here and over here. So, as many places as you want. You just split out that little stuff. So anyway, that's how you do that. Just in case you wanted to know. Okay. All right, guys. There you go. Have a nice day.